Go ahead and select the Add User button in the top right-hand corner and enter the first name, last name, and email of the new user you'd like to add. There are 4 user types. Then the first one is an admin. An admin can manage everything in the account. They have full access, and they can even add or remove other admins, modify billing, and modify screen and content information. Content managers can only manage content, modify select screens, and will have access to all playlists. View-only access will allow the user to only view items in the account. They won't actually have access to edit or modify anything in the account. And an org manager can manage content on a limited screen basis. When you're done selecting the user type, go ahead and hit save. Now I've created a content manager, and I can edit this user's access, and I can choose which screens I would like this user to have access to. Go ahead and type the screens that you'd like them to have access to. If you don't select any screens, then this user will have access to all of the screens inside the account.